Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the most incredible stories of financial success, real-life tales of ordinary people who became millionaires through smart investing. If you're passionate about learning the secrets behind financial triumphs, you're in the right place. Grab your notepads because the stories we're about to share could inspire you to make your next big financial move. Meet Alex, a software engineer who turned a $10,000 investment into a tech portfolio worth over $5 million. How did he do it? It all started in the early 2010s, when Alex recognized the potential in emerging tech companies. Rather than following the crowd, he dove deep into the financials, reading every report and learning to understand market trends. His strategy? Invest early in innovation, hold through the ups and downs, and never stop learning. Alex, I saw the world changing with technology, and I knew these companies were going to be huge. I made some mistakes, but the key was staying patient and believing in my research. Alex's story teaches us the importance of research, patience, and conviction in your investments. Remember, the road to success is paved with learning from every failure. Next up, we have Sarah, a single mother who transformed a modest real estate purchase into a multi-million-dollar empire. Starting with just one rental property, Sarah leveraged the power of smart financing and market timing to build her wealth. Sarah, I started small with a duplex in an up-and-coming neighborhood. The key was buying low, understanding the market, and always reinvesting profits into new opportunities. Through strategic renovations and careful management, Sarah multiplied her assets and now owns over 20 properties across the country. Her journey is a testament to the power of real estate and the impact of perseverance. Finally, we have Mark, a seasoned stock market trader who turned his passion for the market into millions. Mark's journey began in the late 1980s during a time of significant economic change. By studying market cycles and mastering the art of timing, Mark made strategic trades that turned his initial investments into a fortune. Mark, the market is like a living organism. If you understand its rhythms and cycles, you can anticipate the moves and make informed decisions. It's not about luck, it's about being prepared and disciplined. Mark's experience highlights the importance of discipline, timing, and understanding market psychology. His story proves that with the right approach, anyone can achieve financial success. These stories are just the beginning. Whether you're investing in tech, real estate, or the stock market, remember that financial success is within reach if you stay informed, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We've got plenty more stories of success to share, and you won't want to miss them. Subscribe for more inspiring financial stories.